Students, welcome in this class. This is for Ncert exercise of chapter Heat, class 7. See the question number 1. State similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. You can see under similarities there are 3 similarities given. And if students you recall the structure and working of these two thermometers, that is laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer, you can easily understand these 3 similarities. First is both thermometers consist of long, narrow, uniform glass tubes. Second, you can see both have a bulb at one end. And third similarity, both contains mercury in the bulb. Now about the differences. The differences are, first, a clinical thermometer reads temperature 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, while the range of laboratory thermometer is -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. There is no need of explanation, students. You have studied about their ranges. And the difference number 2 is about kink. You have studied that clinical thermometer has a kink near the bulb. Kink is also called constriction, which is a narrow bend near the bulb of clinical thermometer, which is not in laboratory thermometer. So this is a point of difference. During discussion, during a study, also I have focused on these differences. Now see the question number 2. Students, you can see above the cursor there is question number 2. Give 2 examples each of conductors and insulators of heat. Under conductors you can see aluminium, copper. You can write other also, like silver is the best conductor. You can write silver. So there are 2 examples you have to write. You can write by own. And under insulators also you can write plastic, wood. You can also write rubber, cotton, etc. So any 2 you have to write, 2 conductors and 2 insulators. Now question number 3, which has fill in the blanks. And under this, the first question, the hotness of an object is determined by its dash. This is 3A. A is not A is omitted accidentally. So there is a printing mistake. You can understand. There 3A, the hotness of an object is determined by its dash, so which is temperature. Hotness and coldness is determined by temperature. Now 3B, temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a dash thermometer. Which thermometer cannot measure? So obviously clinical thermometer. Now see 3C, temperature is measured in degree. So there may be degree Celsius or Fahrenheit, but degree Celsius is more common. Celsius, using Celsius, degree Celsius is more common. So write Celsius here. Now D, no medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of dash. So which process or which mode of transfer of heat does not need medium? Obviously it is radiation. Now see 3E. You can see a cold 3E. You can see a cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. It transfers heat to its other end by the process of, obviously a steel spoon is a conductor, so there is a process of conduction. Answer क्या होगा? Conduction. Now see F. Cloths of dash colors absorb heat better than cloths of light colors. Obviously dark colors, cloths of dark colors absorbs heat better than cloths of light colors. The counter term here for light, you can see the opposite term for light is dark. So dark, and obviously dark colors are good absorber of heat. So there should be dark, only dark colors is written. Now see the question number 4. It is a match of the following. There are 4 questions in this also. First, land breeze blows during, obviously night. Sea breeze blows during day. and we have discussed the process of land bridge and sea bridge. You can see dark colored. Now the third, dark colored clothes are preferred during. Obviously, dark colored are preferred. Dark colored clothes are preferred during dark colored, which is absorber of heat. So preferred during winter, and here the light colored clothes are preferred during summer. Light colored clothes during summer. You can see the answers: land breeze, night; sea breeze, day; dark colored clothes preferred during winter, and light colored clothes are preferred during summer. Now see the question number 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. So you can see answer: more layers of clothing keep us warm in winter as they have a lot of space between them, and this space gets filled up with air. Since air is a bad conductor, it does not allow the body heat to escape out. You have to understand, students, that different layers of clothing contains air layers, and air is bad conductor, so it does not allow the body heat to escape out, and we feel warm, we feel comfortable. Now see the question number 6, which is a diagram based question, and you have to mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, convection and radiation. Diagram is not given, I am showing the diagram. This is for answer 6 with diagram. You can see the conduction, here the conduction in every metallic parts. For example, metallic vessel, this metallic plate, these all transfers heat by conduction, and the liquid or the water or whatever with the liquid, this is related with conduction. The flow of heat in liquid or the air above it is related with convection, and you can see all around the system, that is all around the vessel and the flame, there is a radiation. Because radiation does not need any medium, so there is radiation. You can see, you can write these 4 sides of radiation, you can see. Now let us return to question number 7. Question number 7 here is: in places of hot climate, it does not advise that it is advised that outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. Means why in places of hot climate houses are painted in white. Obviously, the white color is a good reflector of heat. In places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer wall of houses be painted white, because white color is a good reflector of heat, so the houses do not heat up too much. Obviously, white color is a bad absorber and good reflector of heat. This is the reason. Now the question number 8. 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture will be, obviously, 30 degree and 50 degree are mixed, so the temperature would be between 30 degree and 50 degree. There are 4 options you can see, and the option D is correct, between 30 degree and 50 degree. Now see the question number 9. 30 degree 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will, there are also 4 options: flow from iron ball to water, not flow from iron ball to water. So here the temperatures of iron ball and water are equal, so option B is correct. B is correct. There is no flow of heat, so you can see the answer B, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. There is no flow of heat. Now see the question number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its outer end, wooden spoon, wood is a bad conductor of heat, so there would be a negligible flow of heat. We have to ignore it, and the option here, the option D is correct. You can see all the 4 options. Option D does not become cold? Because there is a negligible flow of heat in case of wood. Wood is a bad conductor now, so it does not become cold. There is no transfer of heat, there is no change in temperature. Now C11, stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. The reason for this could be that. So there are also 4 options. Copper bottom makes the pan more durable. Next, such pans appears colorful. Next option you can see, copper is a better conductor of heat than a stainless steel. And D option, copper is easier to clean than a stainless steel. Obviously we are studying about heat, and there is a point C which explains clearly about why copper bottoms are used in steel pans, because copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. So answer will be option C. Copper is better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. So students, these were the answers for NCERT exercise questions. You have to note them with their answers, and we will meet in next class with a new chapter, that is the next chapter. Till then, goodbye.